There is a show that pretends to be a regular crime drama, but in my opinion, it is a prestige level TV show. And I can tell you that is one of the best shows that I've seen in the recent time. The show is called Will Trent. Here are some reasons why I think you should watch this show. First of all, it's a slow burn, and I love a slow burn show. But unlike other TV shows that are slow burns, what I love about Will Trent is it's a slow burn that has a payoff. If I were to say that it's a slow burn TV show, I would say it's a slow burn TV show that has a steady reward. You don't have to wait for 6 episodes for the reward to show up. There is some reward within 3 episodes, sometimes within the same episodes. For example, character development, character arcs, character growth.
One of the biggest reasons why I think the show works is based on Carrick Slaughter's books about Will Trent, and I would highly recommend you read the books as well. But if you don't have the time to read the books, you could definitely watch the show. The next reason why I feel that you should watch Will Trent is one, it doesn't feel like other detective TV shows. What do I mean by other detective TV shows? Sarcastic detectives are overpowering, smart geniuses that are solving crime, damaged geniuses that solve crime. Does that remind you of most detectives that have been written in the last few years? If it does, then you know what I'm talking about. But with Will Trent, one of the biggest reasons why I feel that he's so different, he's more observant, he's more clear in what he does, and he's a damaged character, and the way he's solving a crime is less about solving the crime because he's a genius, but more for survival. Things that he's learned because of his backstory to inculcate and create a better chance for his survival. That's what makes Will Trent who he is, and that's made very clear through his show. One of the biggest reasons why I love this show is Ramon Rodriguez and his performance in the show. Of course, he's a good actor who portrays the character of Will Trent exceptionally well. And I can tell you one of the reasons why that works is his posture, the way he breathes, the way he acts as Will Trent, the silences that he does on Will Trent. For a character like is that broken, there are going to be moments of silence and he takes them really well. There are times where he has a breakdown, and I think one of the reasons why he breaks down the work is because of his past. With most detective dramas, it's a weekly episodic thing where they just go, here's a crime, let's solve it. But with Will Trent, what happens is it's less about here's a crime, let's solve it. It's about reflection. It's about what happens to Will. It's a reflection of who the character is as well. There is a crime that happens, they solve the crime. It's also about character growth and a reflection of what Will Trent is as a person. What I mean by this is each crime has some sort of relevance to Will as a person, all the other characters that are involved in the TV show as well. Another reason why I feel that Will Trent works, it feels prestigious without trying. Like it does show us what the characters are, who the characters are. Okay, there are a few plot twists, but there are not a lot of plot twists in the show. The way they build the story, the way they build the characters actually feels real. And that's what keeps the show grounded. The reason why it feels so rich is character development, the character psychology is involved. And the biggest reason of the show working is the postal continuity. The character just didn't forget what happened last episode or the last season. There is a reward for actions, and there are consequences to actions as well. The real mystery in the show is not the crime itself. The real mystery in the crime is how does the person who grew up unseen start to believe that they deserve to be seen. And that is Bill's story, and that is how the story is being told. Every episode, every case, every interaction that Will has, there is a reflection of who Will is as a person and how he deals with it. Will Trent is not a loud TV show. It's not a twist-driven TV show. It's not a memeable TV show, if I can say that. It's driven by something rarer. It's driven by character behavior. And that is the reason why I think it is one of the best TV shows to come out in the last couple of years. I hope you enjoyed this review of mine, and please hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next one really soon.